Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thanks for joining me today. It's Friday, June 26th. I hope everybody had a wonderful week. Today I have a Friday haul. Not a whole lot of stuff, but some good things. So thanks for joining me, and we will get started with Zulily. I got a few more things that trickled in from there. And then I have Dollar Tree and one more thing. So yeah, not a lot, but some good stuff. So yeah, this is the first thing I got from Zulily. It is the 6x8 paper pad of Summer Farmhouse by Simple Stories. And it's not my typical color palette, but I do like the vintage kind of vibe that it has. It reminds me of kind of like Pioneer Woman, and I was thinking I can make some more of my mixers with this. And yeah, so anyway, let's just do a quick flip through if you're interested in seeing it. I'd like the size of paper. Oh, and it's double-sided. I didn't realize that. That's good. 24 double-sided sheets, including 4 designer prints and 2 3x4 greeting card element sheets. Okay. Obviously, I did not look through it yet. So this Hello Summer has a yellow gingham background. This page is so cute. It has swimsuits with flip-flops. Really cute. And then we have some summer sayings. And the background of the one before it is like a aqua with a tiny polka dot. Easy breezy summer days. It's so pretty. I don't know how I would use this besides a layout, but it's cute. And okay, there's a plaid on the other side of that one. There's a honeycomb print on the back, and this watermelon print is adorable. We have that pretty Pioneer Woman, well, it reminds me of Pioneer Woman floral, and lemons, gotta love those, with the pink background. So cute. A yellow with white polka dot. It's the simple things in life, with the nice stripe on the back. Love these cherries. I don't know why I love fruit print so much, but oh, so cute. Red gingham on the back, another big floral. Well, I see a trend of a lot of big florals in this pad. So I don't know, maybe there's some sort of like a 6x8 album you could do and use those. I gotta think about that. That might be a good idea. Make a mini album, you know? And oh, that's nice. Red with little white polka dots. I love the tiny polka dots. There's some of the 3x4s. You're the flip to my flop. That's cute. I like that floral behind there too. And there's some more cut aparts. When life gives you lemons, drink lemonade. Very, very cute. Oh, that's cute, the ice creams. Hello, Summer. Okay, this is repeating. So, yeah, I guess there's doubles of each one. That's good. All right, so yeah, I'm going to think about making a mini album out of that. And I did get the coordinating, the brads. I just love using these. I have them in, a couple of other collections. So, yeah, they're really fun. This one's kind of askew in there, but that's fine. There's a cute little bike. Love those bathing suits. Lemonade, and just cute little decorative brads. So, yep, Zulily. That's all I got from there this week. I got, this was my favorite find of this week. I was able to get one of the Lily cordless glue guns. And I had no really idea about these. I was watching Natalie put some bling on it. She was doing a tutorial and she was using this glue gun, and I thought, wow, that is so pretty. It's my favorite colors, and it's cordless, which is great because I'm always struggling with the cord. I'm a lefty, and for some reason, it seems like I get tangled up in cords a lot. I don't know if it's just me or being a lefty or what, but anyway, I was thinking this would be great, especially for tutorials or just showing on, on a video how they work, whatever. So anyway, I Googled this glue gun because I saw in Natalie's video, it said Lily, And it looked like the only place you could buy it was Surebonder.com. So I went there and they had them in stock. They were like 20 bucks, I think. So I thought, all right, I'll get one because they look really pretty. So I ordered one. And then I decided to follow the Lily brand on Instagram, and I read that they had been sold out, and I think it was that day Surebonder said, okay, we found like 20 more, hurry up and order them. So I guess I was just one of those ones who got one of the 20. So they are out of stock right now, but apparently they're coming back into stock August or September. So not to worry if you're looking for it, but I am so excited for this. It's a high temp glue gun. Right now I have a low temp, so this will hopefully make it a little bit easier to glue things before they dry. And yeah, I am just so excited. And the colors are just awesome. I haven't taken it out of I got it early this week, and I just like looking at it. Do you do that? You get new stuff and you just kind of look at it before you use it. So yeah, it's got this cute little built-in non-stick glue pad. Ah, that is so awesome because you know they always drip. And it has a detail tip. I'm excited. This glue gun works cordless for up to 2 minutes. That's so great. So anyway, I will get back to you guys how I like it. I'm sure it'll be great. Everyone, Natalie, and then other people I've seen who have it say they just love it. So I'm excited. And it matches my nails, so, you know, can't go wrong. And anyway, this was the tutorial that Natalie had done. She made these cute braided yarn rainbows. So that's what I was watching her do. And I had to make a couple for myself. So they're really easy to do. Natalie explains it well. You put felt on the back to hold everything together. And I did use my old glue gun while I was making these. But yeah, these are the ones I made. I think they came out really cute. This one uses like cotton yarn from Hobby Lobby, just like the thinner strands of cotton yarn. And this one has like the fluffier regular yarn. You can get it, you know, also at Hobby Lobby, but the big fluffy rolls. I use these to make cotton candy. So anyway, those are what I made. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So let's move on to Dollar Tree. I got some good stuff, I thought, this week. I found this is not new, but I think it's the first time I had seen it at my Dollar Tree. They have like ones with cows on them, which I have, and some other like rustic things, but this is the first time I've seen like, I think actually I might have this already, but it's a rustic farmhouse and it's like a ticking stripe. So I got one of those. I got this cute, I'm not a huge fan of Dollar Tree washi, but I just couldn't resist this print, right? Check out that avocado. And there's a coconut drink. Look, there's like a donut with a hat and a heart cut out. Like, who thinks of these things? It's so cute. I just loved it. So I got one. Figured, well, we'll try it. I got a pack of the glass pearls. I have the cream ones, but this is the first time that I've seen the white, so I grabbed a pack of those. Finally, I was able to get some removable glue dots, so I grabbed 2 packs of those. Like, I don't remember if you guys, I don't know if you guys remember, but I couldn't find the removable ones, just the permanent, so. And my store did have a few Heidi Swap things. These are the only ones I got. I got these reinforcers, which I thought would be good to have. And I got this. It's a Heidi Swap sticker book. So I haven't opened it yet, but let's take a look. Okay. So this is really cute. This would be cute, like to add to a planner. It says fabulous and glitter hearts. Very cute. Yeah, definitely good for planners. This would fit like right in the squares. Adorable. Oh, those are cute. I like this guy with the bow. So yeah, I think this is worth $1. Maybe not more than that, but yeah, super cute. I like that a lot. And then they had like some of the, you know, like the light up signs, but they just had like, well, they had like hashtags and ampersands, and I didn't need that, but I thought those were a great deal for $1 too. And I got a pack of these. I have the smaller ones, but I wanted to get the big ones too. I just love these colors, right? There's like aqua and pink and green and purple. Just these are so pretty. I really like those. I got a little pack or a pack of little clothespins. This is like I have teeny tiny ones and bigger ones. I wanted like a little bit in between. So 50 for a buck. Gotta love that. I got some more stickers. I found these. Aren't these adorable, these elephants? They're kind of like, they look like a translucent. And I like that the ears have like different oh, sorry for that glare, but different patterns. Adorable. Trunks up. Good luck. And another one like that I got are the snails. Ah, so cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but you know, Dollar Tree, you got to get them when you find them. And then I got a little birdhouse. I painted it white already, but they had this kind and they had one with like a heart cut out. So I painted it white because I'm going to cover it with paper, which let me show you guys. Remember I got in this book from Dollar Tree a while ago, and there's a project in there to take just a craft tree birdhouse and decorate it with paper and fabric and stuff. So I just got a teeny tiny one from Dollar Tree. You know, they have these bigger ones at Michael's and stuff, but I just wanted to try it with a little one. So step one was to paint it white, so that's what I did, and I'll show you guys when that's done. So got that. And oh, the last thing I got were, this is the second one I got. This is a pack of 10 mini containers. And the reason I got these is, you know those like clearance 49-cent packs of sequins that we've all been finding at Hobby Lobby, or most of us, hopefully, if you're looking for them, you found them. Well, they come with a lot of sequins, and they don't fit into the Cartwright sequins little containers, which I found out you need like 3 of them to fit one pack of those Hobby Lobby sequins. So I got these to see, and they fit a pack of the Hobby Lobby sequins perfectly. This is one pack, and I used up 10 of these for my Hobby Lobby ones, and I actually needed one more, so I got another pack. But, you know, they're not like the strongest. Like these lids are a little bit flimsy, but like I don't know if I would keep food in them. But they're perfect for sequins because, you know, you're not going to be putting these through a workout or anything, but they fit perfectly. So, and 10 for $1, that's awesome, right? So just want to let you guys know in case you're looking for something to store those sequins in as well. So, yeah, that is my haul today. Like I said, not too big, but I did get some good stuff. The best thing is that glue gun. I'm just so excited. And now that I showed you guys it in the package, I can take it out and try it out. So got to find some stuff to glue. Maybe when I'm working on this, I'll need it. So anyway, hope you guys have a great weekend. We're not doing too much here this weekend, but you know, hanging out outside should be nice out. So I will talk to you guys soon. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'd love it if you subscribe. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I am going to have a giveaway. So getting closer every day. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will talk to you later. Thanks again. Bye.